our vlog. Today, magiging birthday tayo sa Sintara Hotel. Hintay ko lang anak ko dumating at dito na kami sa
like a
hotel
sunrise glow.
ngayon. So, see you later, guys.
So soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sink into this melody. You and
Ganda,
I,
oh.
wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more.
Ang ganda pala
Eyes
dito.
meet,
Waterfront.
worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I,
Dagat na pala siya, oh.
wild and free, even in dark skies. Your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend. This
Yan, guys,
love
oh.
story will never end.
Mamasyal kami
Whisper your name
dito.
in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with
Ano na
ease.
ilaw?
Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and